Thank you. Good morning. Good noon. Yes, Avni. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, belated happy birthday. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good noon. Good noon. Yes,
Ma'am, belated happy birthday.
belated.
Morning, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Today is my birthday.
Ma'am, आज है?
हाँ जी.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, beta. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good noon. Good noon. So, how are you all?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Ma'am, fine. Ma'am, fine.
Okay. What's your preparation for your examination? How is your preparation going on?
Ma'am, nice. Ma'am, nice.
Okay.
Ma'am, nice. Good.
Very good. So you all have prepared.
Ma'am,
English.
Ma'am, today's test. Ma'am, today's test.
Yes, ma'am. Today's test.
You have got
Ma'am, today's test.
Yes, beta. You have got it.
मैम आपकी आवाज एकदम कट कट के मैम आपकी आवाज एकदम कट कट के आ रही है.
Yes, चुप रहे एकदम क्लियर.
मैम आपकी आवाज एकदम कट कट के आ रही है.
नहीं.
You have got your syllabus.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, we have got. Ma'am, you have tell us. Yes, ma'am, you have tell us.
I have given it to you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have tell us. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in
So today it
Ma'am,
was
in
literally
June
your
class.
turn, right? Yes.
Ma'am, what you have said?
I asked for the test.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, combined test.
Yes. Of which chapter?
Ma'am, Tartary, Kaziranga. Ma'am, the Kaziranga and the second verbiage.
Yes.
मैम आप 3 चैप्टर बोले थे, द काजीरंगा, टर्टरी एंड द सेकंड वेज.
The second voyage.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
is it prepared? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So, first work is, where is Avni? She is here. All of you switch on your cameras. All of you switch on your cameras. Good. Now today we are going to
कभी कभी उठी जगह मैंने जल्दी थी बोर्ड देना. अरे मारो टेस्ट था ऐसे. 1 मिनट तो लग से देना है तो पास मत जो.
Janya, mute yourself and talk to your parents.
Ma'am, today's written test or oral test?
Written. Take out
Yes,
your
ma'am.
copies. Take out your copies. Put today's date. Who is having the book?
Ma'am, I am having the book.
Ma'am, I also.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am, and happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I am having the book.
Okay. So what you have to do is take out the chapter Tartary. Take out the chapter Tartary.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have take out.
Taken out.
Ma'am, I have take out. Yes, ma'am. I have taken out.
Now how many word
Ma'am, I
meanings
have
are there?
taken. Yes, ma'am.
How many word meanings are there?
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, 9.
Okay. So I will give you 2 minutes time. Write down the words in your copy. Only the words.
Ma'am, which are red in color?
Tartary.
Ma'am, word meaning or ma'am hard word?
Word meaning. Word meaning. In your book there is a word meaning given.
मैम कौन से चैप्टर का?
I guess.
Ma'am, in page number 93.
Take out the chapter Tartary. In that.
Ma'am, taken.
Beta, when I am speaking, don't speak in between.
Yes, ma'am.
Take out the book. Take out the page, chapter Tartary. Then you have to underline. What you have to do is you need to write the words. Then you will close the book. Then you will give the meaning. Then I will ask one by one. You will answer me. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So first Tartary, then second voyage, and
Ma'am, visit
मैम
to the
काजीरंगा.
visit to the Kaziranga. So first Tartary, start writing. Keep your videos on, and you will not do any kind of cheating. No cheating, children.
Ma'am, we have to write whole word meaning.
Yes, all the word meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Samriddhi has kept the video off, Jash off, Swani off, Dhairya kept off, Kavya, Tanay. Switch on your videos and write.
Done.
Okay. 30 seconds more left. Then you will close the books.
नंबर बोलिए, टाइम बोलिए.
मैम डन।
मैम सब चैप्टर का लिखना है अभी।
Yes. Start writing the answers. Close your books. Be honest.
मैम मैंने सब चैप्टर का वर्ड मीनिंग नहीं लिखा।
Tapasya, write down. Done? Is it done?
No मैम।
नो मैम।
Do it fast. Maulik has completed.
डन मैम। मैम डन। तिथि जैन। मैम डन।
Okay, wait. Start writing the words of the next chapter. Those who have completed, start writing the words of the next chapter. Yes?
Please wait 1 minute.
मैम you are mute. Please unmute yourself.
I know when to unmute and mute, right? You cannot order a teacher. Maulik, I am talking about Tartary, second voyage, and
Visit to the Kaziranga.
Visit to the Kaziranga. Right, Maulik? I guess all have completed Tartary. All have completed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You are writing the second chapter.
Ma'am, I have completed all the 3 chapters. What?
Great, great, great. Total number is how many? What's the total number of word meanings?
Ma'am, I have not written number, ma'am. I'm counting it again.
Put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
तो क्या होगा रॉन्ग और अगर मेंशन करने के लिए हाँ बोलिए क्या हो गया राइट
How many? How many are
18.
there, Avni?
Ma'am, 18.
18. Avni, is it 18?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1, 8, 18.
Okay, done. Now, check out and mark yourself. Bhavya,
कलर मैंने ऐसे गोद दिया तो इंग्लिश पूरा
mute yourself until I ask you to unmute.
ये कर दिया ये क्या हो गया बैड गर्ल वन
Riddhi, mute yourself, beta.
ये क्या हो गया रॉन्ग यस मैम
After checking your answers, mark yourself. Total number of word meanings are 18.
No, ma'am, 90.
No, ma'am. 20, 20.
18, 19, 20. Some new word came out. What? Give yourself marks. 1 mark for each. Write your marks in the chat box after 1 minute. Total there are 16 students. I want 16. I will note it down in the copy right now. Is it done?
No, ma'am.
1 minute more. Arav, good boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Good boy. Why I said you good boy? Why I said you good boy, Arav? Can you tell me, Arav? Why I said good boy, can you tell me? Because you are honest. You told me the correct number. You got 5 out of 16. You are honest. Done? I guess all the word meanings are completed.
Ma'am, mine didn't have sent you the marks also.
Write in the chat box.
No, ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
मैम आंसर मिल गया सबका हिंदी मीनिंग में।
हाँ? Achha, I will call the names now. Ashi. Ashi.
Yes, ma'am.
How much you got?
Ma'am, not completed.
Then Agni.
Ma'am, I got 15 out of 18.
Okay. Next is Bhavya. Bhavya, how much? Bhavya, how much you got?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your marks, Bhavya? Darshan. Bhavya got 0. Darshan. Darshan. Darshan.
अरे सर राइट मत दे पहले बता।
Dhairya. Darshan got 0. Dhairya. Dhairya. Janya. Dhairya got 0. Janya.
Ma'am, I have not done.
Better now, no more time. Stop. जितना हुआ करेक्शन कीजिए. Correct it. Dash.
यस मैम।
What is your marks?
5।
Okay, good. Next is Maulik.
Ma'am, done.
Maulik,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
how much you got, beta?
Ma'am, 16.
Yes?
Ma'am, 16. 1, 6.
Okay, 1-6. Fine. Next,
Ma'am, I have done.
then Samriddhi. Samriddhi. Shashwat. 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 Shaurya.
Ma'am, I got 13.
Very good, no problem. Next is Suhani. Suhani. Suhani.
Ma'am, can I tell my mark?
Yes, Tapasya.
Ma'am, 15 out of 18.
Okay. Who is left?
Ma'am, Titi Jain.
Titi.
Ma'am, I.
Titi, how much?
Ma'am, 20 out of 20.
How much?
20 out of 20.
Okay. Very
Ma'am, 12 out of 10.
good.
Thank you. Ma'am, can I tell my mark?
Then Riddhi.
Ma'am, 10 out Ma'am, of 18 out of 18.
Who is saying that?
Ma'am, my name is Riddhi Chopra. I got 18 out of 18.
Acha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
10 out of 12.
Ashi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done then, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What you will
Ma'am.
do?
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम ये इसको अब PDF बना के आपको भेजना है.
नहीं, अभी नहीं. I will ask you that time. Okay. First, let me complete the test. Fine. Now you will start
Yes,
writing
ma'am.
the questions of Tartary. How many questions are there in Tartary?
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, only 2. 9. Ma'am, of think and answer.
Total, how many
Ma'am,
question answers are there?
2. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
Okay, start writing. Start.
Ma'am, can we write direct answer?
Yes, beta, Avni.
Ma'am, we have to write direct answer.
Write the first word of the question and the last word of the question. That's all.
Ma'am, what question?
Of Tartary. And then after your class, you will send the pic in the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, what is the...
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Ma'am, we have to write question also.
No need to write the question. The question is there.
Ma'am, only answer.
Yes. Start writing it first. After completion of these two answers, you will take the pic, make the PDF and send it in the class WhatsApp group. Answers will be of 3 marks each.
मैम सब चैप्टर का लिखना है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स?
Yes, 3 chapters. 3 chapters, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Your work. And don't do cheating, beta. Be honest, huh? If you don't know, then don't write. But don't cheat. For tomorrow, I will make you revise grammar. From the book also, reference to the context, that also we will do tomorrow. One answer done. So what you have to do, you have to write all the question answers without saying. Be honest. If you don't know, then write in the group that, ma'am, I have not learned the chapter. But don't cheat it from your copy. Then there will be no meaning of this test. Clear?
Ma'am, we have to write the question answer of the
3 chapters, Tartary.
Ma'am, we have to write a visit of Kaziranga. Ma'am, we have to write the question of visit of Kaziranga and family chapter of
Second page. Yes, you have to write. Okay,
Yes,
beta?
मैम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और मैम थिंक एंड आंसर दोनों?
Yes.
मैम ऑल। मैम काजीरंगा का
Beta, you have to practice. Don't write think and answer. Write question answer now.
मैम ओके मैम।
But I want it by evening. Fine? Chalo. Okay, take care then. See you tomorrow with grammar test and reference to the context of from the poetry as well as from the chapter. I will teach you.
मैम ग्रामर का कौन सी चैप्टर का टेस्ट है?
Syllabus is, I have given you the syllabus.
यस मैम।
So it will be a mixed bag, like do as directed. जैसा बोलूँगी वैसा करना है. No particular chapter. I have taught you.
मैम व्हाट यू हैव मैम which chapter test?
Beta, the syllabus which I have provided it to you for grammar, English grammar, that chapter, those chapters, mixed bag. आप पूरा prepare करके रखिए. मैं कहीं से भी questions पूछूंगी. Am I clear now?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Bye.
Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye.